Hello and welcome to Python for Engineers. My name is Jorge and today we're going to review some of the documentation and also the libraries for Python. So let us start with the documentation. Python has great documentation available in their website. They have from all versions. They have from 2.7. As you can see, this is the website. I highly recommend you to just save bookmark this website as you work in the course or as you try to do any programming. It's a good idea to have this website. The website is available in other languages: French, Chinese, Korean. And also, as I said, there are different versions of Python, so you have the possibility to choose for which one you want the documentation. Let us show an example. Here we have math, which is a module. And when you click on that, you're going to find out that this module can have multiple functions that can allow us to work with math. So that's good. You probably don't need to memorize all those things because the documentation is available for that to easily just find out what you need and keep working on your code. Now let's come back to the libraries. I want to show you some libraries, few libraries. In this case, it's just to show you that Python is very flexible and has many possibilities and options for you to work. So the first one here is Matplotlib. Matplotlib is available to plot different data. So I've personally used Matplotlib to plot results from computational fluid dynamics simulations that I did a few months ago. And we also have Numpy, which allows us to work with different arrays, dimensional arrays, and we're talking about matrices, vectors. We also have pandas. Pandas is very good for data analysis. It's powerful, it's flexible, and it's pretty fast. And SymPy, we are going to review in detail SymPy. SymPy basically allows us to work with symbolic mathematics. So it's very good to keep in mind this software. We're going to review this in detail, and we're very much going to use this library at the beginning of the course. So we have other libraries as well. We have for machine learning, for image processing, for audio processing, and so forth. So the idea of this video was just to show you that Python has many possibilities when it comes to library. There are thousands of developers around the world working right now on different projects, on different libraries. So if you are working with Python, you have tons of possibilities out there that you can use for any industry or any project you have in mind. With that said, I think it's all for today. Thank you for taking the time to go through these slides with me, and I will say goodbye now.